Blackie, seriously? Well, that's one dead bird. Blackie, what are you doing? Got your kill? Oh, goodness. Blackie, we want you to kill mices, not birdies. What are you doing? What'd you do? You kill a little innocent birdie, you still got feather on you. You still got a feather on you. You still got a feather. You got a feather, you crazy cat. What you doing? You killed that poor little birdie. Aw. You better get it, Millie. You have a killer on your hands. You got a killer, Millie. Go get the birdie. Go get the birdie. Go get the birdie. Yeah, go get that birdie. Oh, that birdie is dead. Dead. Eesh. Eesh. But you say that's what kitty cats do. We kill birdies. We don't like birdies. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Blackie. Oh, goodness. Well, there are a million of those in the world. Where are you bringing that? Are you bringing that back to your home? Tasty, huh? Wow. That is tasty. Blackie. Oh boy. You see what he did? See what she did? See, if you were out there, Millie, that's what you would have to do. You would have to kill a bird. Because if you didn't kill a bird, then your friends would not be happy about you. Well, you actually ate that. So I guess I don't have to feed you, huh? That is really gross. I guess that bird attacked you and you said, screw you, birdie. You're not going to eat that whole thing. Oh my God. Are you watching this, Millie? Yeah, you are. Oh my God. That's really gross. You know, what did that birdie ever do to you? Blackie, that birdie could have diseases. You say you don't care? That birdie could have diseases, Blackie. Wow. You are a killer. And now you gotta come up to me, you fussy. You killer, you birdie killer. You will never lick me with that mouth. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy. And that is what you get when you mess with that. Yeah. Or that. Ah, Millie. You say I would never kill that bird. I'm too innocent. Oh.